Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by s. Next, we divide both sides by dx. Next, we have y over s, so they are degrees number 1. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. First, the derivative of v, we have dv over dx multiplied by s. First, the derivative of s, we have number 1. So we put about v in here. So we put this one going here, here, and here. dy over dx, we change by this one. So this one we have v. Later that, we divide both sides by e to the power of v. Next, negative v and positive v we cancel. So I will put this one go to the right. So I will put this one go to the left, the s and s go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have e to the power of v. This one, we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, so v that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.